everybody, it's Miss Marie, and Miss Alyssa and I are going to be here next couple days doing a class on mug meals, making things in a mug. We've done this class before at the library where our tweens and teens would come in and make nice food in the mugs at the library. But since we can't be there, we're going to be doing it from home. We have mugs for you to pick up, or you can use any mug that you have in your house. That's what I'm going to be doing today. And I'm going to be teaching you how to make the mac and cheese that is on the recipes that Miss Alyssa gave you. Also, just want to let you know we have this cookbook called Mug Meals. It's in the children's room. It's delicious microwavable recipes that you can make in a mug, and there's lots of different options in here. And the reason I think mug meals are so nice for younger cooks is because you cook enough for one person, usually just for yourself. So it could be like a snack. It could be if you really just are home by yourself and you have to make your own food, you can do that. And it's easy to clean up, which I know is really big with our new cooks. They don't always want to scrub pots and pans and things like that. So this is a great way to keep the mess down while making something really delicious and maybe even nutritious for yourself. All right, so the first one we're gonna make is the mac and cheese. I have my mug here. It's got seashells on it. I really like seashells. So I've got a big seashell mug. I'm going to add half a cup of elbow macaroni. I'm gonna put that in there. And I'm going to add a cup of water to that. And I'm going to put it in my microwave and microwave it on high for 3 minutes. Then I'm going to pause it and I'm going to mix it and make sure that the pasta is al dente. That means like to the teeth, so that it has a little bit of firmness to it, not too mushy. If it starts to get too mushy, I'm going to stop cooking it because I don't like it really mushy. And that's it. So I'll come back in 3 minutes and let you see how it's doing. Okay, so it's just about 3 minutes. I'm going to take it out with a hot pad because it is going to be hot. And let's start. All right, just give me 1 second. I'm stirring it, and yeah, it looks like it needs longer, so I'm going to do that. It's definitely still too sticky. I'm going to put it in for another 3 minutes. I might add a little bit more water because it looks like a lot of my water evaporated really quickly, so I'm going to add a little bit of water to that. And put it back in 3 more minutes. Okay, so after another 3 minutes, mine is done. I'm not going to go the full 8 minutes because it's just going to become too sticky. Mine is definitely done. I'm going to put in half a cup of cheese, whatever cheese you choose. I chose, let me put this down for a second. I chose some white cheddar because that's what I had in my refrigerator. You can choose American cheese, you can choose mozzarella, a mix of different kinds of cheese. Oops, and I need a half a cup of that, so let me get my half cup measure. And probably should have said this before, you should make sure your mug is nice and clean and that your hands are nice and clean. Soap and water. So I did that before I started cooking. I forgot to tell you that part. All right, so I'm going to add half a cup of shredded cheese in there. You can also use a little Parmesan or so if you wanted to make it a little saltier. I'm not going to add any salt or anything yet because most cheese has a lot of salt. So now that's in there. I'm going to mix it a little bit. And I'm going to put it back in for, let's see, how much longer? I think it needs another, let's see, it says, add cheese. And it says 30 seconds. It also says if there's no water in the bottom, well, it doesn't say this, but I know that if there's no water, I'm going to add a little bit more water. My water got all absorbed into the pasta. I'm going to put it back in the microwave 30 seconds. All right. I haven't gone anywhere. my microwave is very hot, so I know that I need to check it because it can overcook and you don't want it to be mushy. So we'll wait 30 seconds and then I'm going to get out my mac and cheese and see how it looks. The instructions say if cheese did not melt completely, microwave for another 30 seconds. Stir and enjoy. So yeah, I'm going to see what happens. I think it should be ready. It'll be very hot, and maybe I'll add a little pepper, a little salt. We'll see how it is. Oh, it smells delicious. I'm gonna mix it up. Oh yeah, and adding that water made it nice and creamy now. The cheese is all melty. Look at that. Well, I don't know if you can see the steam coming off of there, but it's pretty hot. So I might let it cool just a little couple minutes here. I'm gonna put it down over here to cool. I'm gonna add some pepper for sure because I like pepper. I'm gonna hold off on the salt because I don't want it to be too salty. And that is like a perfect serving size for me too, if I were just having a little snack. But you notice I'm still using this because this is gonna be hot for a while. And when it's all done, then you can soak your cup in the sink and scrub out anything that's stuck inside. Like I see I have a little bit of macaroni stuck on the side here. And then it'll be good to go. So let's just give it a stir and enjoy. Oh, it smells so good. It smells so good. Amazing. It has a little kick of that cheddar in there, which is really nice. You could also just use American cheese if you have that. If you don't have shredded cheese, you could just, break it up into small pieces and put that in there. Delicious. Now it doesn't need any salt. Amazing. And only 1 cup to clean up and a fork. That's it. All right, everybody, enjoy your mug cooking. And Miss Alyssa will also be having a recipe for you this week. And I will see you soon. Bye.